adhering to craftsmanship, corporate mission, and 5 high products. Jiangsu Sunhunk is dedicated to becoming the most trusted provider of intelligent crane solutions worldwide. Sunhunk is a global player, a competitor for its internationally advanced peers, and a leader in the era of intelligent manufacturing with regards to either materials or technologies. The adoption of lightweight design, fully applied high-strength steel, and optimization based on finite element analysis has realized informatization, automation, intelligence, and digitalization in equipment manufacturing, allowing the company to sharpen its crafts and deliver the best. As reflected in the use of high-strength welding materials, high-end intelligent welding robots, multi-process professional welding lines, rigorous operating standards, coloring and ultrasonic flaw detection, each step is finely controlled and facilitates Sunhunk, on which customers place their trust or constantly advance the 5 high brand. Pay solitude to ingenuity.